Okay, let's look at the science of it, because this is so cool. Biologically, when you've taken on too much, and I mean too much stress, too much information, too much emotional input, your nervous system literally hits the brakes. It's called the parasympathetic response, and it's basically shouting, "Time out, we need to retreat so I can repair and rebuild." And here's where the magic happens. In the quiet that your biology creates for you, the outside noise finally fades. And suddenly, your inner voice, your intuition, it gets so much clearer, so much louder. The science creates the quiet room, and the spirit starts to speak. At the very same time, your brain is physically rewiring itself. It's a real process called synaptic pruning. Your brain is getting rid of old, unhelpful connections to make room for new, stronger ones. And here's the kicker. Your brain needs you to be alone to do this. It can't do a major renovation like this while you're distracted. So the spiritual side of that brain rewiring, it's like your entire energy field is being rewoven. As those old thought patterns go away, old attachments just loosen their grip. You're not just hiding from the world, you're actively upgrading your whole internal operating system.